Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Studio. In this video, I want to tell you guys the method to get GitHub Student Pack for free. In this way you can enjoy all GitHub Student Pack services for free. But first of all, make sure to watch my video to get student mail for GitHub Education Pack. So watch entire video. Follow all steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello guys. All the information provided on this channel are for educational purposes only. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The channel is no way responsible for any misuse of the information. So first of all, make sure you have EduMail for GitHub. If you haven't, then watch my video on student mail valid for GitHub. All data, all details, all links will be available in my website. So make sure to check that out as well. Here you can see many student mails. This is EduMail supported for GitHub. After that mail you can continue with me. Open your browser. Go to GitHub site. Just create your account. Make sure to use your username, same as your name, full name and college. Use same EduMail for registration. Solve the puzzle. Click on Create your account. Then you have to verify your mail. For that, just log in using your EduMail. So simply log in to Outlook for verification. From here, go to this confirmation mail. So verify your email. After that, go to GitHub for Students. Then select Forget Your Student Pack. Here you can see our EduMail is already selected, with your college name already recognized by GitHub. So put any information here that why you want this pack. So they will send you confirmation mail within 27 days. So I will explain further steps in Part 2 after receiving confirmation mail. So that's for all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe for more amazing content like. Peace out.